Hey Queens, the Black Aphrodite here. Today I'm going to show you how to take your measurements for your customized unit. You're going to need a measuring tape. There are 5 measurements that I need. The first one is your circumference. This is basically the measurement going all around your head. So you want to take that tape measure, place it in the middle of your hairline, and simply wrap it all the way around. Now I am about a 22.5. I have a big head. Typically 22 is the most common, that's a medium, a 23 is a large, and a 21 is a small. And I've just wrapped it all the way around, really easy, and that's it. The second measurement I'll need is your ear to ear measurement. This measurement is very important if you're ordering a frontal unit because measurements are very important when it comes to frontals. So all you're gonna do is take your tape measure and place it at the beginning of your hairline by your ear, the top of your ear right there, and go all the way across, keeping the tape measure very flat. Now my measurement is a 12. Typically this measurement is in between an 11 and a 13, with the 13 being the longest. And the third measurement I'm going to need is your temple to temple measurement. So this is taking that measurement from your temple to the other side. So take your tape measure, place it at the beginning of your temple, and wrap it around the back of your head. So it's going straight across the middle of your head, and you stop at the other side of your temple. So you can see I'm about a 17.5 to 18. The next measurement I will be needing is your front to nape. So place your measuring tape in the middle of your hairline and make it go straight back, all the way back, nice and flat to the end of your nape. And you can see I'm about a 15. And the last measurement is your nape to nape. So you're measuring where your nape starts to the end. This is typically between a 4 and a 5. So place that measuring tape at the beginning of your nape all the way to the end. And there you go. You have your nape measurement. I'm a 5. There you go. That's it, ladies. You did it. You're ready to get your unit. Please visit thebblackaphrodite.com to place all orders. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please email us or send us a DM. We'll be glad to help. Bye.